Welcome back to the Love Tutor. Today, we are diving into one of the most common concerns many people have: how to approach a girl you don't know. It's understandable to feel a bit nervous or unsure in these situations, but fear not. In this video, we'll equip you with valuable techniques and tips to boost your confidence and make a memorable first impression. So, let's jump right in. Body language and confidence. First and foremost, it's important to project confidence through your body language. A confident demeanor can make a significant difference in how the approach is received. Maintain an open and relaxed posture. To begin, make sure to maintain an open and relaxed posture. Avoid crossing your arms or hunching your shoulders, as this sends a signal of disinterest or defensiveness. Instead, stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and let your arms hang loosely by your side. This display of openness will make you appear approachable and friendly. Eye contact and smile. Eye contact plays a crucial role in any social interaction. When approaching a girl, establish eye contact and offer a warm smile. A genuine smile can help establish a positive connection and make the girl feel comfortable and at ease in your presence. Approaching with context and relevance. Another important aspect of approaching someone you don't know is to have a relevant context for initiating the conversation. Let's explore this further. Observational approach. One effective method is to initiate conversation based on your surroundings. Comment genuinely on something of mutual interest, such as an event, book, or a popular location. This approach demonstrates your observation skills and establishes a common ground for conversation. Compliment with sincerity. Another way to approach a girl is by giving a sincere compliment. Notice something unique about her appearance or style, and compliment it genuinely. However, make sure your compliment is respectful and not too personal, as it may come across as intrusive or insincere. Conversation starters and polite phrases. Now that we've covered body language and approaching with context, let's focus on some conversation starters and polite phrases you can use when approaching a girl you don't know. Friendly introduction. Begin the conversation by introducing yourself with a warm and friendly tone. Keep it simple, such as, "Hi, I'm," your name, "and I noticed." Mention observation or compliment. This casual introduction lets her know you're friendly and interested in getting to know her. Asking open-ended questions. Once the conversation is initiated, ask open-ended questions that require more than a simple yes or no answer. For example, you can ask about her interests, opinions on certain topics, or recommendations for places to visit. This encourages a flowing conversation and shows genuine interest in getting to know her better. Congratulations! You now have a range of strategies to help you confidently approach a girl you don't know in English. Remember to maintain a confident posture, use relevant contexts, and engage in polite conversation. With practice and perseverance, you'll become more comfortable initiating conversations and forming connections. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content. Now go out there, be confident, and start striking up conversations with those amazing girls you've always wanted to know. Until next time.